Today we are climbing Mount Cuarnan, starting from Montenars, near Gemona del Friuli. The day is beautiful and it's mid-December, so we are sure to find snow at the top. The path is well signed, as you can see, so nothing difficult to arrive at the Cuarnan. You can see already the church over there. We need to arrive there and it will take around 1 hour and a half, more or less. We take the path 715 that in 1 hour and 20 minutes will take us to the Mount Cuarnan. There is a griffin flying over our heads. Now it's a little bit tough because there is some snow, so it will take a little bit longer than usual. The panorama is amazing. You can see until the sea. And the church is over there. Still half an hour to go. Let's go. Here is the church. Yoo-hoo! We have arrived to the hut Elio Pisciutti. Maybe we will eat here and then go to the church. We arrived at the hut Elio Pisciutti and the hut is open and there is everything inside, including wine and beer, the fireplace, and the table and seats. Upstairs there are the bed, but now it's closed. Finally we are there, almost. Very long walk, especially with the snow. It's hard and tough. Look, is amazing. Last steps. Finally we arrived to the church. Woohoo! Over there. And look also all around us. It's amazing.
Spettacolo.
In Italian, spettacolo. Wonderful. Of course we will do a panini with mortadella. Yeah!
Te lo dico.
And the beer. Where is the beer? Where's the beer? Yeah! The sun is going down, so we need to be quick to go down to the car. But we can say that the day has been beautiful. Right?
Right.
Beautiful. Ciao ciao, Mandy!